When it's Bonnie, happy Friday! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe in the video last night with my husband, say happy Friday. He didn't even notice. That was the funny thing. Like, he did not even notice. I was so convinced that yesterday was Friday, and now today's Friday. I'm actually thinking it's Friday. It's not Saturday. So anyway, oh my goodness, Bath and Body Works. I was not expecting this 25% off friends and family coupon today. We got some hard decisions to make, you guys, because this sale is so tempting. Do we buy now? Do we wait? Oh my gosh. So sadly, they took the new Christmas candles off. I'm sure they did that on purpose. I got to get my calculator here. But there's so many good deals going on today. So I'm going to start with the $24 candles, Christmas candles, which include 'Tis the Season, that whole group. Now, you're going to have to use the email code in the store or share the love code online. You can BOPUS, buy online, pick up in store, but you can't layer any other coupons on here. So we're going to start buy one, get one free on the candles. $24.95 divided by 2 is $12.47 minus 25%. $9.35 on the Christmas candles. That's like better than Candle Day on the brand new candles. So yeah, you're going to want to shop these today. Christmas, I know everyone's like wanting Christmas. The hard part is the Halloween candles. Now, we got 60% off going on. So, like Vampire Blood with the cool lid here. This one is actually $15.98 online. $15.98 minus 25%. Going to be $11.98. Still a good deal. That was about where we were the other day. But Stranger Things are $11.98. $11.98 online. The Demogorgon, the Upside Down. I gotta get Lenny Eddie's leather jacket minus 25%. $8.98 for Stranger Things candles. I'm like, what is happening? I feel like that's like a lot lower than they usually go. So I'm on Halloween now. We're gonna start with Halloween. If you really wanted the tri-projector, there's like 3 weeks until Halloween. I know I said 2 the other day. I was all confused. 3 weeks until Halloween. The tri-projector, you plug that in your living room. Super cute. Minus 25%. $12.88. $12.88. I am dying. I paid full price for that. The hearse, which is also super cute. $15.98 minus 25%. $11.96. So if you're a collector of Halloween, now is the time to collect. You're going to want to collect all this stuff. I love the eyeball. This is so cute. This one is $19.95, but it's not $19.95. It's 60% off. I don't even know if it's online. You might find it in your store. $19.95. Oops. I know my store had some. $19.95 minus 60%. Oops. Why am I doing this? $19.95 minus 60%. $7.98 minus 25%. $5.98. That's a huge deal. Oh my gosh. Huge. The Batterfly. If you can find the Batterfly, this thing is on sale. I'm gonna go down to the pocket back holders. Okay. The Batterfly car fragrance clip, which looks like this, is $5.38 minus 25%, $4.03. The light up skull, I actually gave mine away as a gift. I think I'm going to get one of those if they're in my store. $3.98 minus 25%, $2.96. You could do Halloween gifts like crazy. Okay. What else do we got going on? The Vampire Blood lip gloss, $3.58 minus 25%, $2.86. That's a great deal. The hand soap, fall and Fall and Halloween. I was going to say Christmas. Fall and Halloween. No. Yeah, fall and Halloween hand soap. $3.18 minus 25%. $2.38 for hand soap. That's a great deal. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we also have like the new stuff, like the new men's cologne. These are $49.95. Now I paid $30 for that, so I think I got a better deal. $49.95 minus 30%, $34. Still not terrible. So much on sale. Like if you layer in that fall sale, that is like the best deal ever. Seriously. So still coughing just a little bit. It's just this weather. Let me do high to low on the fall sale. Oh my gosh, these fall candles. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin is $10.98 minus 25%. That's $8.23. That's better than Candle Day. So this is like a, oh, you know what? I want to get First Sight in the cologne. $23.98 minus 25%. $17.98 on the First Sight cologne. I got to get into the store. I got to do it. It says in stock at my store. So that means I could either BOPUS or I could just go in. Oh my gosh. The candles, the fall sale stuff is just out of there. Honestly, at this point, I highly recommend you go into your store because I think you're going to find a better selection of the fall stuff. I feel like fall online is a little sketchy. There's not a lot going on, but you know what Bath & Body Works is doing right now? They're unloading all of their fall and Christmas to get, fall and Halloween. I keep saying Christmas. You know it's feeling like Christmas. They're unloading all of their Halloween and fall to move Christmas in like in a week or two. So I get it. What's awesome is we benefit. But the question is it a good idea? Like right now, don't even touch the body care because the body care is buy 3, get 1. Even with the 25% off, not a good deal at all. If you want to get that brand new Santa Claus candle holder, that's a good deal. You can get it for like $75. Any of the perfumes, like Brightest Bloom, not terrible. You can wait until Black Friday when the whole store is buy 3, get 3. But if you really want something now, you can treat yourself. $64.95 minus 25%. It's going to be $48. It's still pricey, but it's better than paying full price. What else they got going on? Oh, the bear pedestal. I got the bear. You guys, the bear is so cute. We grab the bear for Christmas. If you want to get the bear now, $39.95 minus 25%. It's going to be $29 for the bear. A lot of people, I think, are going to get that, actually. Let me see. There's the train projector. A lot of projectors for Christmas. So again, this is a really tough call. Bath & Body Works wants your money for fall and Halloween. And of course, you're going to see all of the wonderful stuff rolling in for Christmas. So here's what I would focus on. If you need anything for Halloween, obviously you're a collector or you haven't gotten it yet, great deal. Stock up on that kind of stuff. If you can find blueberry bundt cake anywhere, and it's on sale for fall, like any of your fall body care, Together Weather, any of that, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, autumn drive, get those now because with the 25% off, you're getting a good deal. The Christmas candles, these Christmas candles, buy one, get one free. The $24 ones especially. What did I say those were? This is an incredible deal. $24.95 divided by 2 minus 25%. You're going to pay $9.35 for your Christmas candles. Best deal of the season. I love this one. Get your Christmas candles that are $24 now. Excellent deal. So anyway, oh my gosh, I'm going shopping tomorrow. I'm going to the store tomorrow. Can't wait to get in there. Got to see what's left. I got to hold on to my wallet. I don't know what's going to happen. But I might get a couple of things. Anyway, let me know what you're shopping for. I'm going to continue to review stuff. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.